From Divine Sister of the Light Eirini Crystal and Indigo Guide to the Galaxy, Athens, July 7th, 2023, Blessed 777 Trinity Portal of Masterhood. Transmuting time, entering Masterhood, the theater stage is dismantling, one step closer to the cosmic flame of divine restoration. Message: after the great wars, many were taken as hostages, went through courts of the absurd and were stripped off their divine rights and powers, sentenced and condemned by the fallen ones. They were marked, stigmatized, and called many negative names, and always had to go through many challenges and difficulties, as this condemnation was following them for one lifetime to another. They were basically dealing with the sick psychopaths who had created this construct and were in control of this game. They had won and taken over this part of the world. This part of the world was sealed because of the results of the great wars, and there was nothing that could be done about it. As the fallen program continued, repetitive cases of staged events of entrapment and fake dangers, fake twins, fake beloveds, and fake family members and associates were always present in order to create more drama and pain and remind these condemned souls how unworthy they were and how their condemnation was justified. The most common strategy was to create conditions in order for the souls to take responsibility and choose or act against the self. They even went as far as saying that heaven had condemned these souls, creating inner guilt and self-rejection in them. This created deep depression and frustration in these souls, and eventually they forgot in many ways who they truly were and fell in so many dark traps, often resulting in losing their sanity and logic and giving up. There were laws that were not allowing for any escape or any outside interference of help for a different result for a big period of time. This period has ended, and all hostages can now be free and learn the truth. The story has twists and turns, and many previous explanations were overturned and explained differently. The true revelations that have nothing to do with the stories of the program that humanity has been addressing and clearing has just begun. The program is one thing, true life is another. Please remember that all godly energies that were used in the game are available to the Christ and Sophia consciousness for all living souls to use and benefit from. The living souls have already received back their rights upon the pure essences of the elements and their jurisdictions upon the lands, and are now preparing for the recovery and restoration of their true divine powers and own essences. This theater goes deeper than what we might think. In my personal opinion, we have not even touched yet the deeper truths of our actual stories. As this has already started being unfolded in the physical, we are in for great revelations that will change our whole perspective and view of the world and being forever. The theater stage is dismantling, actors and actresses are taking their masks off, and all the resources, elements, information, and props that were used are being returned to those they belong to. The script is being fully decoded and the audience is leaving. Plot twist: who is applauding? Remember to claim your moment of physical alignment to your higher version of yourself today. Blessings to all. Eirini. Hunama Anatta Kumara.